How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and today I've got another beautiful Boston whaler to show you guys. This is the 170 Montauk 2025. This one is in the light blue hull color, white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. Looking real pretty up there on this single axle trailer with the swing tongue and the spare tire. And it will move through the water pretty quick with that 115 Mercury on the back there. Just a gorgeous boat. Let's check out the inside real quick. Here in the stern of this 170 Montauk, you've got your jump seats right here with removable backrests for some more rod storage. You've got a ton of room in the back of this boat. This is a 17-foot boat, and you've just got all this walking space. Built-in fuel tank, very nice. At your helm seat here, you've got your reversible backrest, also giving you access to your huge live well underneath that helm seat. Part of the fishing package on this 170 Montauk. This one's got the fishing and the comfort package. So you've got cushions on all your seats here. Right here at the helm, you've got your Simrad MFD, JL audio head unit, rocker switches, throttle binnacle, and the classic Boston whaler steering wheel there. It's a really cool little helm right here. Got to have some cup holders and your compass. You've got your tackle storage right there built into the console. It's really cool. And you've got your console access right in here. Up front in front of this console here, you've got your igloo cooler. Big old cooler up here. 17-foot boat, keep in mind. Ton of room. Nice cushion. You fit a good bit of people on here for a 17-foot boat. Got more rod holders there. Bow cushions up front, and then underneath, you've got your big fish box. So you can pop in that big snook you caught out here on the Indian River. And you've got your anchor storage in front under this hatch there. This boat is pre-plumbed for a trolling motor. And you got your cleats, nav lights, low profile bow rails, bimini top. This is a sweet boat. If y'all want to take it, I'll take it home with me. If you have any questions about this boat, come and check it out here at MarineMax Coco or give us a call. It's 321-636-3142. Thank you guys. See you next time.